Good morning, students. I am Anikant Mishra, Modern English School, New India. So, yesterday we had discussed about the merit and demerit, or also you can say advantage and disadvantage of Mendel's classification of an element. The Mendel's classification is regarded as one of the greatest achievements in the field of chemistry, and we have already come to know that yet it has a certain area where there is a need to improve. So in this regard, first of all, Moseley discovered the atomic number, and he said the atomic number is a more fundamental than the atomic mass. It means the properties of an element depends on atomic number rather than atomic mass. According to Moseley, what he said, the properties of an element are dependent on atomic number rather than atomic mass. So, keeping these things in mind, the elements have been classified on the basis of increasing atomic number. When the elements are classified on the basis of increasing atomic number, what are the defects which were found in the Mendel's periodic table are disappear. When the elements are arranged on the basis of increasing atomic number, what are the demerits which were found in the Mendel's periodic table are disappear. As for example, that position of isotope. First of all, what is a isotope? Atoms of the same element having the same atomic number but different mass number. So, if suppose we talk about the chlorine, 17Cl35, 17Cl37. When the elements are arranged on the basis of increasing atomic number, so this 17 itself represents both the chlorine. 17 atomic number itself represents both the chlorine atom. No need to give the separate place for the isotope if the elements are arranged on the basis of increasing atomic number. Similarly, some other example also you can see, like a carbon 12, carbon 14. So you see that both have the same atomic number. Once if atomic number 6 is there, it means it represents both the carbon. It represents both the carbon. So one of the major problem was position of isotopes which are solved when the elements are arranged on the basis of increasing atomic number. The second things, anomalous pair. Regarding the position of argon and potassium. Regarding the position of argon and potassium, argon has atomic number 18 and potassium has atomic number 19. So really 18 will come first, then thereafter potassium. So this also has been solved. The wrong order of wrong position of potassium and argon has also been solved. Argon having atomic number comes first, thereafter potassium having 19 higher atomic mass and atomic number than argon comes later. Next, cause of periodicity. What is a periodicity? Repetition of the properties of an element after certain interval. There was a question, why elements after certain interval possess similar characteristics? Like lithium, after lithium, eighth element comes sodium. After sodium, again it comes a certain interval. After eighth element, after sodium, eighth element is a potassium. So what happens after certain interval? As I said, after lithium, eighth element is again sodium. After sodium, eighth element is a potassium. So lithium, sodium, potassium, after certain interval it comes and possesses similar characteristic. What is the reason behind it? That was not been explained by the Mendeleev. And this has been well explained when the elements are arranged on the basis of increasing atomic number. So when we say atomic number, what does it mean? It means number of proton presence in an atom. Number of proton presence in an atom is called atomic number. And also we know the number of proton is equal to number of electrons in the neutral atom. So can we say atomic number is equal to number of electron? Atomic number is equal to the number of electron present in an atom. And as we know that the electrons are not present at one particular place, rather it is distributed in a various cell. The electron is not present in a particular one place, rather it is arranged, distributed in a different cells. So arrangement of electrons in a different cells is nothing but it is called electronic configuration. So can we say the arrangement of electron is on the basis of electronic configuration? It will not be wrong to speak if I say the arrangement of elements is based on the electronic configuration. And my dear student, physical and chemical properties of an element depends on their electronic configuration, or you can say depends on their valence electron. The physical and chemical properties of an element, physical and chemical properties of an element depends on the valence electron. Because if you just recall yourself, number of valence electron decide the type of bond formed. Number of valence electron only decides the which type of bond is going to form. If suppose electrovalent bond is present, you know that the electrovalent compound has certain characteristics as high melting point, boiling point, soluble in water. On the other hand, if the valence electron decides this particular atom, particular element will form covalent bond. It means covalent compound has a certain characteristic like low melting point, boiling point compared to electrovalent bond. Generally exist in liquid or gaseous state with a few exceptions of soft solid. So what I am trying to make you understand here, it is the valence electron which decides the physical and chemical properties of an element. If two elements or more than two elements, if there is the same number of valence electron, obviously we can say yes, they will possess the similar characteristics. So it What is the cause of periodicity? Because of the repetition of the similar electronic configuration or repetition of the same number of valence electron is the cause of the periodicity. What is the cause of periodicity? That has not been explained in a Mendele's periodic table, is being explained successfully in this when the elements are arranged on the basis of increasing atomic number. What is the reason? Having the similar characteristics or repetition of the properties of an element after certain interval, that is the cause of similar electronic configuration trained or having the same number of valence electron. If you talk about it, the group 1A, as in it is mentioned in the Mendele's periodic table, lithium, sodium, potassium, 221, 281, 2881. So what we observe, all having same number of valence electron, that is 1. Similarly, if you talk about the 7A, fluorine, chlorine, 27, 287, that is what? Again the same number of valence electron. So my dear student, it is the valence having the same number of valence electron is the cause of periodicity. Once again, what is a periodicity? Repetition of the properties of an element after certain interval. So based on this, modern periodic law has been formulated. What is a modern periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of an element are the periodic function of their atomic number. The physical and chemical properties of an element are the function of their atomic number. Once again, what is a modern periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of an element are the periodic function of their atomic number. What does it mean, the periodic function of their atomic number? It means there is a repetition of the properties of an element after certain interval. When the elements are arranged on the basis of increasing atomic number, there is a repetition of the properties of an element takes place. That is called periodic function of their atomic number. So, on the basis of increasing atomic number, the elements are successfully classified. And this based on the modern periodic law, the elements are arranged in a tabular form, so it is called modern periodic table, and also it is called long form of the periodic table. Since the elements are arranged on the basis of the modern periodic law, so it is called modern periodic table. As you know that why it is called periodic table, because the elements are arranged in a tabular form. That's why it is called table. Elements are arranged in a tabular form, and there is a repetition of the properties of an element after certain interval is called periodic. So, since the elements are arranged on the basis of modern periodic law, so it is called modern periodic table, and also it is called long form of the periodic table. Now, in the modern periodic table, or so-called long form of the periodic table, has 18 groups and 7 periods. How many? 18 groups and 7 periods. Group 1 and 2. Group 1 and 2. Group 1 is called alkali metal group. Group 2 is called alkaline earth metal group. 17 is called 17 is called halogen. Group 18 is called noble gas or zero group of the element because its valency is 0. Group 1 is called alkali metal group. Group 2 is called alkaline earth metal, and group 17 is called halogen. Group 18 is called noble gas or zero group. Why it is called zero group? Because its valency is 0. So please, my dear student, watch the video honestly and properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.